Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a very useful automation designed for your sales team. So guys, this automation is designed to keep your sales team updated about the daily work they have done and how much work is left there to achieve their monthly target or daily targets. And this automation is going to do this by sending daily performance reports to the team members of your sales team on WhatsApp automatically on daily basis. So let me show you how this is going to work. So this will be the flow of this automation, guys. Here I have created a form with the help of Pabbly form builder application. In place of this, you can use any other form builder as like Google form or type form or jot form. And here, as and when at the end of the day, your sales team member is going to submit that form and he is going to fill in the details regarding the work he has done on that day. A WhatsApp message is going to be delivered to that team member automatically saying to him or her that this is your work report of today and this is the work remains to achieve your daily target or monthly target. Okay. And this is going to happen automatically. You need not to manually type the messages here. So it will surely save your time as well and keep your team updated and motivated as well. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation because we do not need to have any coding skills to set up this whole thing. Okay, so now let's set up this automation together right now. So guys, this is the form I have created for my sales team, and at the end of the day, after completing the work, the team member is going to fill in the date, the team member's name, the clients he approached, the sales he make and remark, and he's going to submit this form. And as he's going to submit this form, he is going to receive this kind of message you can see on WhatsApp. So this will be the message that my team member is going to receive. It is saying, hello Heather Khan, your today's sales is this, your total monthly sales is this, and the monthly sales remaining is this one. Okay, so this is the target and this is the kind of message my team member is going to receive. And not only this, we have a sheet here in Google Sheets application in which we are capturing the form responses like this. So here we are going to have a data of the form responses. We are going to have a record of the sales of my team, and here we are going to update this sheet on daily basis as well. Okay, so here we have two sheets that are going to be updated with the help of this automation on daily basis as well. So let me show you how all this is going to happen automatically. So guys, to set up this automation, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect first. So to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here. And here you have to click on this create workflow button to create a workflow of automation, and here you can give any suitable name to this automation. So I'm giving the name here as sales team automation. Okay, and after giving the name, just click on this create button and your workflow page is loading up here. And after this, you will find these things on this page. Okay, this is our workflow page and we have a trigger here and the action. So automation work on these two things. Trigger is the happening of an event which triggers the workflow or starts the workflow, and the action is the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission received from our team member, sales team member, and the action towards that trigger would be to update this spreadsheet that we have here, and also to deliver a WhatsApp message to my team member, which will look like this. Okay, so to set up here, first of all, let's set up the trigger. So just click here on the trigger section, and from this choose app field, choose your trigger application. So in our case, the trigger application would be that application by which we have created the form for my team member. So we have used Pabbly form builder. So select Pabbly form builder from here, and in the trigger event, select new form submission option, and it will give you this URL, and it is called a webhook URL, guys, which is used to fetch the data out from any external application. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with Pabbly Form Builder. Then we are going to capture the response of the webhook. This means we are going to capture the response of the form submission. Okay. So let me show you how you can make this connection. You can follow these instructions also that is written here. Okay, so read them and follow it carefully. Let me show you how exactly we can do this. Just copy this webhook URL first. Then reach the dashboard of Pabbly Form Builder application. And here I have created these forms. Let me show you. So here you can see this is the form I have created named as daily sales report. And this is the form actually it is. Okay. And here guys, what you need to do, you need to click on this forms section, and here you will find all the forms. From here only you have to select your form, which is this one, daily sales report form. Okay, and after selecting the form, from here click on integrations option from this left hand side, and here you have to click on this webhooks tab. Okay, and under the webhooks guys, you have to click on this create webhook button, and here in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your workflow. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, then click on save, and you will be connected with Pabbly Form Builder. And as you make the connection, it will show you this kind of response. It will show you the label and the value here in this response. Now click on this recapture webhook response button so that we can actually capture the form response here. Click on recapture, click on yes, and it will start showing waiting for the webhooks response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. This means now you have to fill the form on the behalf of your team member, and it will act as a test submission for us. And with the help of that test data that we are going to receive here, we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so this is my form. Let me fill in the details here. So I have selected the date first here, and now it will show you the list of the team members that you have in your team. From here I'm selecting the team member's name. Here total clients approached, let me fill the details as 14. Total sales done, let's say this team member has sold 20 products, so I have put here 20. Remarks, so remarks is not compulsory, but you can put here as this, not available. Okay, then I am clicking on submit, and you can see the message is submitted, the form is submitted successfully. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission. And here you can see in the response received section, we got the data of the test submission as this. Here it is showing the team member's name and all the details the team member has filled is arrived here. Okay. Now guys, what I want to do first I want to update my spreadsheet, which is this. Here you can see I have this spreadsheet known as sales data, and here I have this sheet named as daily sales report. So here we are capturing the form responses. Okay, so this means as and when my team member is going to submit his report on daily basis, we are going to create a record of that report here. Okay, and to make this happen, you need to use this action step, and here you have to connect your spreadsheet in this action step. So my spreadsheet is created with the help of Google Sheets application. So from this choose app, search for Google Sheets and select it like this, and in the action event select add new row option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, then give some additional access to Pabbly Connect, that is completely safe. Just click on continue, and you will be connected with your spreadsheet application in a few moments. So you can see we are now connected, and here it is asking to select your spreadsheet. So when you click on this field, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets that you have created in your Google Sheet application. And from here you have to select the name of your spreadsheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is this sales data. So it will show up here like this. So select it from here only. Okay, then you have to select the sheet's name from here. So my sheet's name is this daily sales report. So select it from here. Okay. Now it is asking the date, the name, the client approach, and all these fields. So guys, these are nothing but the headers of the columns that I have in my spreadsheet. Okay, so to get these things filled here, we are going to map the values of these things here. Okay, and we are going to map the values from the first step where we have captured the test form submission. Okay, so here we have received these labels. So I'm going to map these labels here. So in the date field, just click here, and from this you will find this Pabbly form builder step in the drop down, which is our first step. And when you click on it, you will be able to see all the data that you have received in the first step. And from here only, map this date label. Then click on name, and from this step, map the name label. Clients approached, map this clients approach label. Okay. Sales, map the sales. Remarks, map the remarks. Okay, so when you map the labels like this, what will happen after setting up this automation in real time? Whenever your team member is going to fill the form, these labels are going to change according to the filled data, and you will receive the new data every time here. Okay, so we have mapped the labels. I can show you the connection also by clicking on save and send test request. You can check your connection with spreadsheet, and here you can see we have 4 rows here only. And let me click on save and send test request, and let's see how it works. And this is the response we have received here. Let us check our spreadsheet, and we got a 5th row added here with these details. You can see the name is Akib Khan, the details are these, and these are the same details that we have mapped here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. After that, what I want what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to check the details of this person, this team member, in this spreadsheet that I have. Let me show you. So in this spreadsheet, I have another sheet here named as team details, and here you can see I have the details of my team members like this. We have the name, the WhatsApp number, the monthly sales target that we have given, the daily sales target that we have given to them, and here we have the total monthly sale. So here we are mentioning the total sales that this team member has done till now, and here we are entering the remaining sales target for the team member. Okay, so what I'm going to do, first of all, I am going to search for the team members details in this spreadsheet, and then we are going to update those details. So to search the details first, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. Just click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up. From here, I'm going to connect Google Sheets again, because we are going to search in the Google Sheets about the team member. Okay, and in the action event now, I am going to use this lookup spreadsheet rows action event. Okay, so with the help of this lookup spreadsheet row, you can search for the details of a particular value. Okay, let me show you how. Click on lookup spreadsheet rows, then click on connect, and from here you can use existing connection option because we have already connected with Google Sheet in a previous step. So just click on save here, and you will be connected again. Okay, now select the spreadsheet which was sales data only, and the sheet's name now is going to change like this. Here you have to select team details sheet. Okay, now it is asking for the lookup column. So here actually it is asking in which column you want to look up for any value. Okay, so guys, I want to look up in this A column for this person's details. Okay, so you have to enter the lookup column as A column, and in the A column, what I want to look for, I want to look for the details of this team member named as Akib Khan. Okay, so I'm going to search for this value here in this lookup value field. So guys, to put this value here, I'm going to use previous step. Okay, here we have captured the details of the team member from the form response as well, and in the form we have mentioned the team member's name, selected the team member's name. Okay, so I'm going to map this label only to search the value of this person automatically. Map this value here in the lookup value field. Just click here, and from the Pabbly form builder step, map this name label. Okay, and if you want to include headers, if you want to search in headers also, you can make it true, otherwise you can make it false. And if you want to start searching from the top, make it top, or if you want to search from the bottom of your spreadsheet, from here you can select bottom here. Okay, for now I'm selecting top, and as and when I'm going to click on save and send test request, this step is going to fetch the details related to this team member here in the response. Okay, let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request, and in the response receive section, now you can see all the details related to this team member that we have in a row here is captured here in the response. You can see we have searched for this team member's name, and in the response it is showing the details of this team member and all other details that we have in a row here like this. Okay, the WhatsApp number, the sales target, the daily sales, and the monthly sales are captured here. Okay, but now guys, the question is why we have searched for these details and captured these details here. Guys, we have captured these details because I want to update these details in my spreadsheet according to the data we have received from our team member via the form submission. Okay, so to get these particular two things I want to update here. First is the total monthly sale and the remaining sales. Okay, because as and when my team member fill the form, that means he is going to fill the details of the daily work he have done, then this total monthly sale is going to change and the remaining target is also going to change. Okay, so these two things I want to update. So to update this, we need to compare these things, and to compare we have captured the details first that we have already, then we are going to compare it with the form submission details. Okay, and to compare here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this plus icon, and now we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called number formatter. So search for number formatter in this section step, and in the action event select perform math operation to perform a mathematical operation. Okay, then click on connect, and now it is asking for the numbers and the operation. So guys, basically I want to compare two things here. What I'm going to do, you can see in the previous step we have looked for the details of this person, and here I got the details as this, and here I got the monthly sales target, the daily sales target, and the total monthly sales value. Okay, now my team member has done some work in a day-to-day and submitted the report. So he has closed more deals for us and sold more products, so the monthly sale is increased. Okay, so here I want to add in this monthly sale the total number of sale that my team member has done on that particular day, and we have received that data in the first step. Okay, in the form submission, here you can see the total sales is 20. So now the monthly sale is going to change 210 plus 20, and it will become 230. So to get this data changed automatically, we are using number formatter here, and in the number formatter I'm going to map two labels here. First label I'm going to map from the first step, okay, which is this total sales label, and in this sales label I am going to add this value which we have received from spreadsheet in the lookup step, this value 210, and then we are going to update the total monthly sale here. Okay, So just come here on the number formatters tab and click here. And when you click here, you will find the previous steps in the drop down. So from the first step, I am going to map this total sales label. Okay. And then you have to put a comma here and map another number, and that you will find from this lookup spreadsheet rows step. From here, map this row value, which is 210. Okay. After this, select the operation as addition. Okay. Select add, then click on save and send test request. And in the result table, you can see we got 230. Now I want to update this value here in this column. Okay. In front of this person in the total monthly sale column. Okay. For that to happen, you need to connect Google Sheets again here. And before connecting that, I want to update one more thing. Let me show you. I want to update this remaining sales target also, because now the monthly sale become 230. So when you subtract monthly sale from 800, that value is also going to change. Okay. So the remaining sales target is also changed. So do that also. For that to happen, select number formatter again from this action step, from another action step. Okay. And now in the action event, select math operation again, perform math operation, click on connect. And now it is asking for the numbers and the operation. Now I am going to subtract the monthly sales target with the total sales this team member has done. So we'll get the remaining sales target. Okay. So to make this happen, we are going to map two labels here. First label, I am going to map from this lookup spreadsheet rows step, from the third step, which is this. So this is the monthly sales target we have. Okay. Now put a comma here, and the another number I'm going to map is from this last step where we have got the updated value of the total sales of that team member. So from here, map this result label. Okay. And now the operation, select subtract option. Okay. Then click on save and send test request. And in the result table, you can see we got this result, and this result is the remaining monthly sale target for the particular team member. Okay. Now guys, let's update our spreadsheet. To do that, click here on the plus icon, and from this action step, search for Google Sheets again. Okay. And in the action event, select update range values. Okay. This one. So it will update the values of a particular range, specific range. Select this update range values, click on connect, select existing connection on option only, click on save, and you'll be connected with the spreadsheet again. And from here, select the sheet's name, which is sales data. And in the sheet's name, select team details. And now it is asking for the range. So let me show you about the range. So guys, here I want to update these two columns in front of this team member. Okay. So E column and F column I want to change, and which row I want to change? I want to change this second row. This means I want to change E2 and F2. Column E row 2 and column F row 2. Okay. So this is the range. Let me show you. When you select both of these cells, you can see in the name box it is showing E2 colon F2. So this is called range. Okay. So you have to put this range here, and to put this range automatically, let me show you how you can put this. First of all, put E here, capital E colon capital F, but we need to put here E2 colon F2. Okay. So guys, to put 2 here, we are going to use this step. So to put the correct range here, we are going to use the previous step, which is this third step. So in the third step, when you click, you can see that we have received the row index also, which is showing us 2. Okay. So just map this label from here, and after F, just put this row index again. Okay. So now the range becomes E2 colon F2. Okay. And in the values, I want to update this value, the monthly sale value and the remaining target value. Okay. So to get this change automatically, you have to put the values here in this format. You can read the instructions. You have to put a square bracket here, square bracket like this, and under the square brackets I am going to map the updated values. So first value that I want to change is the monthly sale. Okay, so you'll get the result of the monthly sale from this first number formatter step. So from here, map this result label, then put a comma, and the next thing I want is the target remains that I'll found from the second number formatter step from this result label. Okay, so map these two labels here in this format. And now let's check how it is going to change here. I'm going to click on save and send test request. And this is the response we have received. Now let's check our spreadsheet if we got the details changed. And here you can see the monthly sales now is 230 and the remaining sales target is 570. This is the same things that we have mapped here. Okay, so when you map the data like this, in real time, this data is going to change automatically. Okay. Finally, what we want to do, now we want to send a message to my team member, which will look like this. Okay. And to send this message here, just click on this plus icon. And from this another action step, we are going to use an application which is called 360 dialog. So search for 360 dialog here and select it. Now you guys are wondering why we are using another application. Guys, to send messages on WhatsApp directly, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API, and 360 Dialog is an official WhatsApp's API service provider. With the help of this application, you can send many messages on WhatsApp automatically. So now you have to select the action event and as send template message. Then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and then it will ask for the API key of 360 Dialog and the domain name of 360 Dialog. So first of all, let me show you how 360 Dialog looks like. This is my 360 Dialog applications dashboard. Okay. So guys, if you want to avail the services of 360 Dialog, which is an official API of WhatsApp, please use the link that we have in the description for you, and you will get the services of 360 Dialog in much lesser prices than he usually gave you. Okay, so if you go directly, they offers you their services in approximately $39, but if you go by our link, you will get the services in $5 only. Okay, so this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog, and here let me click on WhatsApp accounts page, and on the WhatsApp accounts page you will find this generate API key button. So by clicking on that key, this key, you can generate a API key for yourself, and then you have to copy that key and paste this key here. And while generating the key, you will get the domain name as well, which will look like this link. So you have to copy that link and paste it here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with 360 Dialog. And guys, generating this API key and making the connection with Pabbly Connect by filling these two things is a one-time task only. Once you get your key generated and you paste both of these things and make the connection, after that, if you want to make the connection again, you don't want to generate the key again and fill in these details again. After that, you can use existing connection option, and then you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with 360 Dialog. As I have already made a connection before in a different workflow, so I got connected here again. Okay, now it is asking for the template. So first of all, let me tell you what templates are. So this is my 360 Dialog, and here I am clicking on manage templates button, and these are the approved templates I have. So let me open one for you. So guys, message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you can use to send messages to multiple people at a time. Okay, so you have to create such standard message structures for your audience here in 360 Dialog first. And to do that, you just have to click on this add template button, and from here you can give a suitable name to your template. You can select the category of the template that you are creating, like a reservation update, appointment update, or anything. You can select the language in which you want to send the message. You can select the template's type as a standard if you want to send a text only messages, or media and interactive if you want to send the images or other things as well. Okay, and in this body box you have to type the main message that you want to send to your people. Okay, after filling these things you have to click on preview and submit your template. And after submitting the template, Facebook will review your template and approve your template. Okay, so the standard time of template approval they say is 30 minutes to 48 hours. So after getting your templates approved like these I have, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp. Okay, and here you can see in the message like this, I have this one here in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4 also. So guys, these are called the body fields or the variable tags that you have to put in the strategic places inside your message. And here you can see why we have put these tags, because you can see after hi, I'm going to address the person's name to whom I'm sending the message. So the person's name is going to change with every new message. Also, a quick message from this to say your appointment. So here we have put the name of the business. Here we are going to put the appointment date and the time. Okay, so that these are the things that are going to change with every new message. Okay, so you have to put these body fields here inside your message, and to get these fields change with every new message automatically, we are going to map the values of these body fields here inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first of all, select the template that you are using. So my template is this one. Let me show you. So guys, this is a message template I have created for my sales team. Okay, and you need to select this message template from this field. So my template's name is this, sales underscore update. Okay, so search for it from here, sales, this is it, select it. And after selecting the template, the namespace field that you have, you will see it will be filled automatically like this. And here also the language code got filled. Now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So guys, in the mobile number label, I am going to map the data from the previous steps. So here you can see in the Google Sheets lookup step, I have sorted out the details of my team member, and in those details I got this phone number as well here in this label, in this row value 1 label. Okay, so I'm going to map this label only here in the recipient mobile number step in the 360 dialog step. So just click here and find this lookup spreadsheet step, and from here only map the phone number label like this. And you have to enter the phone number here in this format, you can see, with a plus sign and the country code as well. So here you have to enter the plus sign and the country code also like this. Okay, now it is asking for the body fields. So let me show you the body fields. So you can see after hello, I am going to map the name of the person, and the today's sales, let me first map the first field. So just click here, and from this first step you will get the person's name field as this, just map it. And let's check the second body field, hello your today's sales. Okay, so you'll get the information of today's sales from the first step, from the form submission only. Okay, so map the today's sales from here, map the total sales label. Okay, let's see the third body field. So this month total sales is this. So you will get the monthly total sales from the number formatter step, the first number formatter step, where we have added the data from the first and the third step. Okay, so from this fourth step you will find the resultant label, map it like this. Okay, now let's check the monthly remaining sales. So you will find the remaining sales from the second number formatter step, which is this, map this result label. Okay, and let's check the fifth field, your work is appreciable, achieve your goal of this sales. Okay, so we'll get the information of the target from the third step, where we have searched for the details. Here you will find this is the monthly target, map this value. Okay, and finally regards. So after regards you can put the name of your firm or your company. So I'm putting here team Pabbly. Okay, like this. Okay, So let me show you how the message will look like in WhatsApp. I have the access of this WhatsApp account. Let me show you how this message is going to look like now. So here I am clicking on save and send test request, and let's see, and you can see we have received a WhatsApp message, and the WhatsApp message is this. Now it is saying, hello Akib Khan, your today's sales is this, your monthly sales is this, and your total monthly remaining sales is this one. Okay, so your goal is of 800 sales. Now you can, team member can analyze his work, and it will motivate him to work properly and accordingly. Okay, so these are the same details that we have mapped here, and you can see in place of all the body fields like this, we got this data. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Now we are done setting up this automation. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So guys, first of all, in the trigger I connected Pabbly form builder and capture the data of the form response, which was a demo form response. Okay, like this. And here we got the details of the daily work of this team member. Okay, after that I connected Google Sheet application to add this data as a record. Okay, then we mapped these labels to get these datas added inside my Google Sheet. Okay, after that I search for the details of this team member by using lookup spreadsheet option of Google Sheets application. Okay, then we capture the details of our team member like this. After that I compared the details received from the form submission and the data that we have already had in my Google Sheet with the help of this number formatter, and we have added the value of total sales with the existing data of the monthly sale of this person, and we got this result. After that I subtracted the data of the monthly sales from the targeted value, and we got this remaining target here in this result. After that I connected Google Sheet again to update both of these things by using update range values action event of this Google Sheet application. After that guys, I connected 360 dialog to send a message to my team member and mapped the data like this. Okay, so guys, you need to set up this automation only once. After that you don't have to do anything manually. After that it is going to run automatically as and when your team member is going to fill the daily report form. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.